Alright, that's gonna be it for 2025. Pulling into the yard now for the last pickup. Here we go. Good? Alright, thank you. Don't even want to come out and check on me or nothing. Fucking lazy bastards. Alright. A bunch of Teslas. We're picking up Transits and Explorer. Let me see. G and Q, G and Z. Alright. Let's see what's going on here. I think we're good right here. Let me see. Load. Alright. Let's start the shit. Electric over hydraulic.
Oh, electric over hydraulic.
Yeah, the trailer for sale.
It's for sale?
Yep.
Where are you going to? A bigger one?
Yeah, I already have a 7.
Oh,
yeah.
You're the man.
Yeah. It's 2023. I just did bearings, brakes, grease, 18-ply tires.
What are you asking? Just in case.
18.5.
18.5?
Yeah.
Not bad.
I see one right there. That might be it. Let me see, Z30. It's got damage. Yeah, that's what's gonna be. Let me see. Win number 3227. Cardboard rail right side has 1 to 3 dents. Paint is not damaged. Alright. Yeah, that's what's gonna be. Let's see what they're talking about. 3227. Let me see if it starts. All right. Bishop, when he must go. All right. Cargo. What did the? Ah, I see. Okay. All right, let's see this app. 3227. Yeah, okay, it's already at inspection. Boom, 1. Use. 2. Let's put this shit on a trailer. good enough. Got the paperwork. Let's get the next one. Alright. Let's see the next one. Okay, G7. Alright. Let's check the wind. 31, 35. Turn it on. Oh, come on now. There we go. Alright, works. Badly. Had the inspection. This one's finished. Where's the paper? Right here. Yeah. Oh, these Teslas, I wonder how they do in the cold. I can't see. Win number 7213. PQ Q41. Oh, it might be right in front of me. I think it's that one. Yeah, Q41. What was it? Let's see if it starts. Oh, as it should. Quick walk around. Always something. Nothing. Okay. Alright, let's go. Inspection. I don't think I need to use my ramp. I just put it on right just like this. I hope so. I don't feel like it. Okay. Oh yeah. I don't need anything. Hang on. I need to clean up here. I'm just gonna put it right down, okay? That'll be alright. God damn, that's a little fast. All right. About it. All right, last load for 2025. Happy New Year. All right, loaded up, pulling out from the yard. Let's go.